Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Keena, and today I'm going to be installing this beautiful ivy flip over wig that I created using curly hair. And I used the ivy flip over method. You guys, this is some old hair, and so I decided to just revamp it. But basically, I just left my hair out in front, and as you see, it is like super puffy back there. Like, my braids are not flat at all. But anyways, I just pull it back. And with curly hair, you know, it really don't have to be flat like your braids or twists or whatever, because your hair is gonna have volume anyways. But yeah, I just put over this little net, and what the net does for me, like once I kind of pull it close to my leave out, it helps secure the wig a little bit more, so for it to just stay and not like slip back. Once I get that secured on my head, now it's time to pop on my wig. And oh, look at this. Yes, I went in actually and I put some curls in it. So as you can see here, it makes me very happy. It really does. I don't know about you guys, I'm sure it does, especially when you get your hair done or when it's almost done and you see that vision coming to life. But anywho, with this hair, with curly hair, like I love to curl it as well. So it does have some curls in it. On top of the curls that it already has. Does that make sense? Like, y'all know it's already curled, but I took a curling iron and I curled it. But look at me, I just popped the wig on and it's already looking like, oh my god, it's looking good. But you of course have to fix it up, and since my braids were puffy, I am like kind of scooting it over and making sure that, like, you know, it's all in there and it's not looking crazy. But yes, look at this. I just absolutely love this. Like, this is literally a pop-on wig for me. Comment below, like, what are your guys' pop-on wig? What hair did y'all use on it? Because this hair, I can't even remember. Oh my gosh. And you know what, it's in one of my videos, and I'll probably I'll put the hair link down in the description box, because I have to go back and see what hair this is. But this is like my go-to hair. I absolutely love this hair. So at the top of my hair, I love to put a bobby pin just to give it a little bit more security of the wig. I would advise though, if you guys do this, don't do it all the time, or even like, you know, the wigs on the combs, be mindful of putting that in the same place every single day, because that can pull your hair out. So I just do this every blue moon. But I love to do the stocking cap method that I was doing. I put that on and then put the wig, because it just helps secure it. And also, just when I do create my wigs, I make sure that they fit my head pretty well. But yeah, I just pull it up and I just get it, you know, get it to where it's looking natural and my actual hair is covering the tracks. So this Ashanti's natural shea butter, I've been using this on my edges instead of using edge control, because I realized that edge control was really like taking out of my hair. And so anyways, it's been helping my hair. Actually, this was filmed like months ago. My hair has gotten even like thicker on my edges, so I found a product that really works, and it's not even expensive, you guys. I think I might do a video on it, because I feel like we should all just help each other out, especially when it comes to hair, you know, hair tricks and secrets. So I think I'm going to do that. But yeah, I'm just fluffing it out, and I'm about to get ready to curl it in a second. So this curling iron that I actually got this from the beauty supply store, and I believe it was like under $20. I was looking for one that was a little bit thinner than that, but I really think that's like the smallest one they have. I don't know. Let me know in the comment box below. Do you guys know of anyone that is smaller than that? Because when I do like my curly hair and I like to put curls on it, I like to find the really thin curling irons. So really quick, I want to show you guys a close-up, and also I was feeling myself a little bit. So off camera, I just went in and I kind of curled some pieces. Some pieces I left like uncurled, just kind of like wavy in the natural texture of the hair, but I just liked it. It was just kind of like a messy, not so perfect curl. I was really enjoying that. And yeah, that's what the top looked like. Okay, I'm doing the most, I know. Hey guys, so this is some new hair. This is old hair that I had, and would you believe that I actually bleached and dyed this hair, and you can't even tell? The only way you can tell is like if you get really close and like you're looking like to the sun, because like I can tell like it has like a burgundy tint. So long story short, I was like trying to dye the bottom part like a dark brown, and long story short, I picked up some box dye, and it was actually, I don't even have any more because I threw it away. But I went to Sally's, and you know, like in Sally's they have all the hair dyes and stuff. It's usually not like the box dyes, but they have like the box. It's not like the box dyes like the ones like Clairol and stuff like that. I mean, I think they have that, but for the most part it's just like the little slim bottles. And yeah, so long story short, I picked up 2, and then I had paired it with some bleach, 20 developer, and I dyed my hair. I let the dye sit on there for like at least like 2 hours and then guess what, guys, it didn't do nothing. Okay, so also I went back and realized that the color that I picked up was like a mahogany red, and I was trying to get like a dark brown. But yeah, so we back to square one. But I did make this wig, and it is the Ivy method, the Ivy flip over method. And yes, as y'all see in the beginning, I only have a little bit of my hair left out. Honestly, I could have left a little bit less out because I ended up just tucking it in the back of my ear anyways. So anywho, yeah, this is what I have. And I mean, you could wear it like other ways. Like, I don't want to mess my curls. I would have to kind of fix my part in. But I mean, you could wear it like different ways because it is the Ivy flip over method. I could even flip it over to this side, but I would have to kind of go back in and like curl it, and you know. But it's the flip over method. If anybody knows me, they know that I love curly hair, and always like when it comes to curly hair, if I want like more of a definition to it, I'll go in with my curling iron, this small, like the thin one. And if I was really like not wanting to, if I was wanting to actually take my time today, I would have took this like piece by piece. And maybe one day in the future I'll do a video of me like doing like the really tiny ringlets everywhere. I think that is just so freaking cute, but I'm just so impatient right now, and yeah, I never feel like doing that crap. But eventually in the future I will. Yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below, let me know what you think about it. And all I need to do now really is just put like some serum like to make it less frizzy. I think I have some, hold on one second. It's a heat protecting serum, but I'm gonna try it and see. And with this stuff, I forget I even have this. You can't put too much on it because it'll make the hair extremely shiny. And as I can tell, it does not help with frizz. So I gotta go to the store and get something to help with frizz. If y'all have any suggestions, let me know in the comment box below. But yes, until then, you guys, I will see you later on my next video. Like I said, let me know what you think of this hair. Something quick you could just pop on, and I've been wanting to redo this wig anyway. So yeah, I will see you later. Bye.